Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Welcome back. We've had so much fun this August. It is wrapping up. I believe we have 2 more days and fall will be here. And I know some of us are really wanting that cool weather. But you know what today is? It's 2 special holidays. It is National Bacon Day for my bacon lovers everywhere. Please don't eat too much, clog your arteries, and die. Okay? And it's also National Pecan Pie with chocolate chips. Yes. So this is gonna be similar to my pecan pie recipe on my YouTube channel if you look. For those of you joining, my name is Christy, aka Your Good Time Gal, and this is Good Time Gal YouTube channel. This is for people who use my Good Time Gal blog and would like to see how their desserts come out. Now, this pecan pie recipe is my mother's. She will not let me give it out. So, I have made a similar pecan pie recipe, that is on my blog, okay? So I don't want you to freak out. But this particular one that I'm using is my mom's recipe. So if you catch the ingredients, feel free to follow along. If not, please feel free to look on my blog and follow with that, okay? So let's get started. All right, so I did say that this was my mother's recipe, so I'll show you that it's in her cookbook. Yes. So that's how you get it. But I'm gonna read off the ingredients, okay? So you're gonna need 5 eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 to 2 cups of pecan halves, and then your pie crust. All right, so the trick with a pecan pie is that you have to have a gentle touch, okay? That's it. We are going to gently mix all of these ingredients together. We're gonna put them in the pie crust, and then that's it, and we bake it. So let's do it. So I'm gonna lightly beat my 5 eggs. I'm just beating them enough so the yolks break. That's it. See that? I add the flour. Still gently stirring in. We fold it. Remember, we fold it. The vanilla. The butter. The sugar. I'm beating a little harder because I want to get the sugar. I want to break down the flour crumbles. I just want to make sure that it's a smooth look. Now the syrup. Whisk. Whisk. Still want to make sure it's all incorporated. And we add the pecans. Fold them in. Gently, you don't want to break them. And the chocolate chips. Add a little more. Not too much, because then it'll just be chocolate. And we'll just fold again. All right, we set it aside. And now we put it in the oven. So we're gonna bake this at 350 for 40 minutes. I will see you then. Our pie is ready. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at you. The crust. Perfect. You did that. This is you. Pat on the back. Pat on the back. Now, if you a pimp, dust them shoulders off. So now we just have to wait for it to cool. If you want to put whipped cream on top, you can, but I'm going to be honest, I have never done that because it's that good. So from my kitchen to yours, happy pecan pie with chocolate chip day. That's all the time we have. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you have enjoyed making this pecan pie and would like to try other recipes that aren't on my blog, please feel free to check out my cookbook, Good Time Gal Cookbook, available on Amazon. From my kitchen to yours, happy cooking.